Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start. First, check compatibility and network. Make sure your TV lists Miracast, AirPlay, or Chromecast support, or plug a compatible dongle. Once done, confirm both TV and phone/tablet are on the same Wi-Fi network. Use 4 GHz when distance or range is an issue. Next, open the TV's screen mirroring input and remember the input name or pairing code you see on screen. This is what you'll select from your device in the next step. Now, from your device, open the casting or screen mirroring control. On Android, pull down Quick Settings and tap Cast. On iOS, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. On a laptop, use the Browser or OS Cast option. Once you select the TV name, enter the PIN if prompted and choose whether to mirror whole display or just a tab/app. Make sure to set audio output to the TV and, if available, pick a resolution that balances quality and latency for smoother playback. Finish by confirming full screen mode and testing audio/video sync. Stop mirroring from your device when done. If you see lag or stutter, try switching to 5 GHz Wi-Fi or use Ethernet for your TV to reduce latency, and make sure background apps aren't hogging bandwidth. If connection fails, restart the TV, router, and sending device, then retry pairing. Also check that screen mirroring permissions and system updates are applied. This resolves most persistent pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.